कहाँ कुते का पे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर। Yes guys, so here we are back on the stream. I had to take a day off because I had to go to my eye specialist yesterday. I had my checkup, I had dilated my eyes. So yes, so I was not streaming yesterday. But yeah, don't think for big falls, because as you might have noticed, you might remember this long time candle stick frame that we had made. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, here you go. So this trend has been broken out. So like if the market sustains above the open value of today, that means we can expect Bitcoin to run a little too high, anyway more than like 112, 117. So my trades for the day would be like pretty much bullish. I'll be taking long positions in the market today, but I'm just waiting for the right time, because Bollinger Band has not given a good gap till now, being very frank. The market has to come down till maybe somewhere here so that the market can go up with full strength. Looking at 30-minute candle frame, so if you remember the last day when we were streaming, what I had said, the plans that I had said before leaving, like I know I just came a little too late yesterday. If you had taken this particular trade, your stop loss would have, trailing stop loss would have hit somewhere here. So minimizing this to somewhere here. Yeah, that would have been your trade. थोड़ा एडजस्ट करने दे मेरा लाइक सेटअप को चेंज करने के लिए मैं बोल रहे थे ना उस दिन, सो ऐसे लाइक थोड़ा एडजस्ट किया है. So yes, so this is our study that day, and the market pretty much like we drew that somewhere here when the market was trading somewhere here. So after this retest it came down, and if you had taken an entry somewhere here with a stop loss just above the trend line, then you would have easily booked with a trailing stop loss like around $372 in spot. In total it moved down till 636 if you had exit somewhere there, because it had crossed the Bollinger Band. If you just zoom in a little bit, you will be able to see that हमारा सेटअप के हिसाब से Bollinger Band के नीचे जब आता है, it's time to exit. So like if you had held on here, your stop loss would not have hit here anyway, because your stop loss would just come to almost CTC at this particular range. And after the continuation of this fall, when your CTC was here, you would have booked minimum till like here, or you would have captured the whole move. Whatever it is, it's a $600 target that was achieved on Bitcoin. And on Ethereum, if you see that particular day, you will notice that it had indeed formed that M pattern, double top pattern that we had discussed. I think it was trading somewhere around here when I came to the trade. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, I think it was somewhere here. And this we predicted the market would form a double top and it would come down. So if you had made your entry somewhere here, this was your entry. This was supposed to be your entry. Stop loss would be just above the trend line. नीचे के तरफ, if you see, you have in total you would have booked. Okay, that was not seeing it very practical. Okay, इधर हमारा stop loss नहीं लिया है, पर थोड़ा टाइम ट्रेड पे स्पेंड किया है. So most probably somewhere here you would have exited with your trailing stop loss, if I'm right. Yes, you would have exited somewhere here. 15 point, still 1:2 is captured here. For me, for today, market looks bullish. because it had broken out. This was something I missed. I regret missing this, because I was expecting the markets to go up, but I did not think it would happen this soon. I'm sorry. So yes, so yeah, and it came down, tried to gave a retest. If you see the 30-minute charts, most probably it would have been a clear retest in that position. Like, see, so अभी वापस ऊपर आ रहा है, तो where would my trades be? That's a good question. My trades would be above this particular value, the day's high, today's high. Basically it would be above this, would be my value. And like for now I might take a trade if the next candle crosses this range, next 30-minute candle crosses this range. Okay, so that would be my first scalp, like a $400 on spot. That would be my first trade. But I think before the big move comes in, it will most probably come down till this value again, around this value again, before the big moves come in. Okay, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you this. Hear this closely. You see that there's an extraordinary volume spike that happened in this candle. This candle. That is where these big players would have bought their maximum shares on Bitcoin. The assets would be maximum bought around this range. So once that happens, then you will see that the liquidation happens in the volume. Volume is being swiped off, and it came back to this level from where it is again purchased, and it is going to this level. So the next time it reaches somewhere here also, like just a little above this value, that is where the next volume spike is going to happen, most probably. So yes, I have to sit on this trade for some time. Sorry, I accidentally opened the 1 minute instead of the 5. So yes, I would have to sit on this trade for some time, basically. And if you look at the small, like if you want to see on a small trend line that was formed, yeah, this was a small trend line that was broken down. तो इसके बाद इधर तक नीचे आने का chances है. That's what you should understand. Okay. Are there any doubts? Anything? Oh, thank you. Like stream started and I already got a like. Would have to wait. We would have to wait in this trade for pretty some time anyway, and it's only after that we can expect a good volume wala movement to happen. Have wait a bit. You have to wait a bit. If this is crossed, with a small retracement candle, then I'll plan a small trade somewhere here, something like this. If the candle is something like this, then I'll plan a trade like this, most probably. And my actual position, that's just a scalping for me, and the actual positions that I would enter in would be after this value, but for that it has to come a little more down, maybe till at least till the Bollinger Band, so that ऊपर के तरफ gap बनाएंगे, Bollinger Band का भी gap होगा, and some more spike in the volume can also be noticed. So इधर एक selling pressure आ रहा है, you can see the volume, but I would see it in the I hope you guys know the colors of these volume bars does not mean anything. Okay, does not mean anything to do with the number of buyers and sellers. It is sorry, it is mostly the color of the candle that it has formed at the end of the time period. So yeah, if you notice like this candle is red, so नीचे की तरफ जब देखते हैं like the volume is also red, इसका भी volume is red, इसका volume is green, इसका volume is green, इसका volume is green, इसका volume is red. So that's how it is. It has nothing to do with the number of total number of buying and selling that is happening in the market. So just you can even change it. You can just go to the settings. You can change it to maybe like violet. I think this is violet. Done. You just need to see how much the number of the volume, how big the volume was. That's all that matters. Like at this point, like 24 Bitcoin were traded. So a selling has happened here, but I would see it as a buying that happened. Just now it is just waiting. Like after this level is reached, then it will just. So I'll see it as a profit booking that happened. Sorry, I will see it as a profit booking that happened here. And after this fall, like when it has reached this level again, so another profit booking can happen at this level. But as the total market sentiment is bullish, I'll keep I'll today me taking a bearish trade or shorting the market would happen only below this trend line. Okay, if it breaks down this trend line again, gives a small retracement, then comes down, I'll plan my short positions for the day. But you should understand that falling this much is actually a great fall. You would have to fall almost like what, $500-$600 to reach the open value. That is almost still like it's somewhere around here. It was the opening of the market. If you just see we'll just see here itself. Today is 3rd of July. Yeah, around this range. This is what the buying range is. So it has to come below that and also move another $500 to $1,000 in order to this to be for me to take a bearish trade for the day. So yes, not thinking about any shorts today. I'll just write something. What do you think? BTC bullish. I've told my reasons and why I feel the market is bullish today. But if you have got anything to say, anything to add on, then definitely you should add on. You can just put it in the chat so that I can also read through if something has been missed out, maybe some news that happened or anything basically. So till market gives me a movement, I'm just relaxing for some time. So yeah, cool. I think there's only one concurrent viewer. What about changing the the setup right away while on stream? I don't know if that's gonna make sense, but yeah, let me just try doing that. Boom, 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 better? Oh fuck, actually I would have to cover this part also. Hamara studio ka setup, all the recording unit is also coming pretty much visible now. What about now? Oh, I would have to actually plan that out. If I'm planning to do that, then I would have to move the curtains and everything a little bit. So because basically this behind us is, I don't know what you guys are seeing right now, just let me see. Okay, behind us is our podcast setup. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to move the whole thing with the mic and all that. All that setup is down there, and no scalping. नीचे के तरफ no scalping for now, no retracement for me at least. Like if people have entered here, okay, cool, but like not for me, not for me. For those who entered here, you can keep their targets somewhere here, your first target, and there is our yeah, I hope you are able to see. Yeah, that is our setup for taking lectures, the long lectures and everything that we have been planning and we are working on right now. So yes, so that's that. So that is why I would have to work a little bit in order to actually figure something out for you guys. Maybe with the system even. I think it's better if it goes back where it was. Hi. I'll work on it. I'll make sure that the evening stream or maybe light too much. Okay, light coming in the cam. Over now. Back to OBS. Brightness थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं. Okay, I think it's fine now. Did I just F it up all? No, right? I hope I have not. What do you guys think about the markets? How? Okay, I don't know. Then something has gone wrong. I'll see. Yeah, later. मेरे लिए the market seems bullish. What about the Indian markets? What about the Indian markets? Nifty 31 points, 0.1. Okay, DNF. I don't want to log into anything right now. Thursday, okay. So if you guys want to take a trade in Nifty, the expiry of Nifty, the weekly expiry, look for Gamma Blast. I'll just try seeing it here. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I'm not saying. I'm saying literally nothing. Okay. I'm not giving any suggestions. Yeah, market was pretty much, in this range. It has formed like something like a curve. When do you wake up? So yeah, if it falls below this value, I'm not saying anything. I'm just putting in my studies. Okay, it can be bearish it can be really bearish if it breaks this value, but the Bollinger Band has not given that a lot of gap. So if you know if you know about Gamma Blast, make sure you don't miss out some real zero hero trades. Okay, 1 2 okay, cool. So make sure you don't miss out a few good movements that can happen below this range. Okay, just you can watch out for the Indian markets. Just Gamma Blast is basically gamma is the rate of acceleration of delta, and delta gives you the value for how much would your particular strike price increase for the movement in the underlying asset, in this case Nifty. So at the money strike prices will have maximum gamma blast. So if it sustains below this range, it can have a good fall today. So you can plan your zero hero trades accordingly. Not said anything. I hope I've not said anything that I cannot speak out according to SEBI in public domains without having a SEBI registration. That was just for education purposes. I was just teaching you how gamma blast works, what is gamma blast, how does it matter, how is it helping you calculate your strike price, and I just told you a basic support level after which the market can be bearish. Okay, I hope that was clear for the two viewers who are viewing it right now. If you guys are into Indian markets as well, you can just look at that. It's a Thursday. For me, I'm currently out of Indian markets, just taking a little break from it because I feel the overall market condition is pretty much unstable, highly volatile, and at the same time very much consolidating. So I will start trading. Like I'm an options buyer on stock market, so it's completely fine even if I just take one trade a month because time is against option buyers. Okay, theta decay is something that is real in options buying, so I don't take that risk. Like whenever I feel there is good momentum in the market, in the overall market, that is when I trade on the Indian stock market. For me right now, I don't think it's the good time, so that's why I'm out of the Indian market for now. But yeah, this can, if this is if this is gonna be the pullback, then the trade can, okay, the first target will be somewhere here, but like ऊपर के तरफ targets can go up to 100 and okay, $200. Where is 200? It is very short. Is it short? I would say now, for now, just don't enter. Okay, almost 1:2. Yeah, but like, okay, I would rather say not to enter right now. Just wait for a little more time. We'll see. I'm just taking a 30 minutes break. What's the time now? Okay, at 3. I'm just talking about IST right now, okay? I'm just gonna draw what I feel also. I do it pretty bad, you know? Yes. Okay, I think I made it kind of okay, at least now. Okay. This is what I am waiting for. Comment down below. Comment down. Yes, that works. Okay. Yeah, I'll just take a 30 minutes break. Yeah, but the stream shall continue. Let the stream continue. I shall join a little later. Okay. I'm just switching off the camera. And I hope none of my WhatsApp notification pops in here. Audio and streaming is harder than I thought, bro. Uh, yeah, maybe let it be. Let the mic be open. वीडियो को थोड़ी देर के लिए ऑडियो hello. I don't know which is the mic that's working. I'll switch off all the mics for now. Okay, be back, see you at 3. yes, the breakout that I was waiting for has happened. We had already drawn it here. इसको delete करते हैं. अभी क्या? What now? That is a good question. What now is a very good question. I'll just wait for this candle to end as a pullback, and the next candle would be my entry. I know you might feel that you missed out a huge movement, but if you were watching the 5-minute charts, then you could have taken the entry here. मैं वो भी plot करता हूँ. Still running. अभी stop loss किधर होगा? Trailing stop loss किधर होगा? It will be somewhere here. Don't forget that the trailing stop loss would be somewhere there. Chat किधर है? Chat. Oh, why am I not able to see the chat? Yep. Yeah, I think it's all back. Yes. So yes, it is going up. I'm just trading. I'm not exiting this trade. Okay. ये ट्रेड को एक्सिट नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ ट्रेल कर रहा हूँ मैं ऊपर. हाँ, it's at the round level, bro. Right now it's very much at the round level. देखते हैं. मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ये होगा, ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस. दिस वुड बी माय ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस. ये मेरा ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस होगा. दिस विल बी माय ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस. और इधर पहुंचेगा तो मेरे को कितना मिलेगा? या स्टिल लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 10 times my stop loss. That is what I am at right now. I'm still seeing the market ऊपर के तरफ. I am holding it. This will be the low of this green candle will be my stop loss. So I'll just draw a new ray there. Yeah, that would be my trailing stop loss. उसके बाद जब ऊपर जाएगा I'll take a fresh entry ऊपर के तरफ. Okay. Why didn't I exit here? Why am I not exiting here? It is just because मेरे लिए the whole market is bullish. Bitcoin अभी के लिए it is bullish. That is why even after it crossed the Bollinger Band and it is coming down, I'm not exiting it there just because of that. The whole Bollinger Band is, the whole Bitcoin is like bullish for me for the day. I feel it is gonna go up a lot. That is why I am not exiting the trade. So I am not exiting the trade. Okay, am I clear? Okay, why did I make an entry there? Here is also a question that can be a valid question. Why did I make an entry here? You see this candle? You see the volume? So there's a volume peak that happened in this particular range. तो इस कैंडल के रेंज पे जब भी आता है मेरा फर्स्ट ग्रीन कैंडल जब देता है, आई जस्ट टेक माई ट्रेड एंड उस उसके पिछले रेड कैंडल का लो वुड बी माई स्टॉप लॉस। सिंपल सा ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है एंड उसी को यूज़ किया है और कुछ नहीं। वेरी सिंपल। लाइक अभी ये स्पॉट में ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ, स्पॉट में आई एम ऑलमोस्ट एट व्हाट 533 पॉइंट्स का प्रॉफिट में। एंड दिस इज नॉट माई टारगेट। ओके, माई टारगेट विल गो अप। इट इज जस्ट आई एम जस्ट ट्रेलिंग इट, दैट्स इट। ये ट्रेल को मैं ऊपर लेके जाएंगे। आई शो यू हाउ आई एम डूइंग इट। ये कैंडल का एंड में आई जस्ट टेक इट बैक टू इसका लो। अभी जो कैंडल बन रहा है उसका लो में मैं सेट करेंगे स्टॉप लॉस को। इधर एक नया एंट्री का अपॉर्चुनिटी है, पर बॉलिंगर बैंड में गैप उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो वो भी सोच के लाइक वो मन में रख के ही ट्रेड्स लेना। एंड इज एट अ राउंड लेवल, तो उसका असर हो सकता है मार्केट में। द market might give a rejection from that level. If it does not, and if it goes according to my study, I will be holding the whole trade. पूरा ये ट्रेड को होल्ड करेंगे। So yes, this is my stop loss. If there is any questions, please type it in. This is my trailing stop loss. ये जो रे बनाया है, that is my trailing stop loss. Trade is on. देखते हैं क्या होगा. Everyone who is watching it, would be great if you can like my video. We are just starting off. The content is pretty much raw. So all your feedbacks on the comments and all your support that you show with likes will actually motivate us to make better content. Am I audible? अभी ये कैंडल like it is formed completely, so I'm just taking this stop loss here. That would be my stop loss for the trade. It's a trailing stop loss, okay? It's a trailing stop loss. I'll just see if my mic and everything is working perfectly. आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं क्या? Can you comment? सुन पा रहे हैं क्या? Are you able to hear me? Am I audible? Can you just type something on the chat so that I know if I am audible? और ये मेरा टारगेट नहीं है, टारगेट को मैं लेके जाएंगे, ऊपर लेके जाएंगे। मैं सिर्फ स्टॉप लॉस को ट्रेल करके जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड माई आई फील दैट द मार्केट इज बुलिश. वी हैड ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन इट बिफोर आई टुक द ब्रेक. नाइस. So ये candle, if it is green, where will my stop loss be? I'll trail the stop loss a little bit more, somewhere in the middle of the current stop loss and the low of this candle. That is how I'm going to trail. It's going up again. It's going up. Wow. That's some good movement, but very quick movements. I get scared with quick movements, you know. तो इसका डीके भी उतना जल्दी ही आ सकता है. सो यस, अभी ये स्टॉप लॉस को मैं थोड़ा और ट्रेल कर रहा हूँ. आई जस्ट कीप इट हियर बिकॉज इट्स आउट ऑफ द बॉलिंगर बैंड. दैट इज द रीजन वाई आई एम डूइंग इट. ये बॉलिंगर बैंड के ऊपर है, हमारा बॉलिंगर बैंड का रेसिस्टेंस के ऊपर है, तो फॉल भी उतना जल्दी ही आ सकता है. दैट इज़ वाई. बट ओवरऑल व्यू फॉर मी about this market is bullish. But just let me know if I'm audible. 946. Oh my god, that's some good movement that we are getting. कौन कर रहा है पेपर ट्रेडिंग? एक्चुअल ट्रेड में बैठा हुआ है. Paper trading, I do it whenever I want to try out some new strategies, or not my regular strategies. वो जब भी करना करने के लिए whenever I plan something new, I check it on paper trading. Currently spot में $813. Spot में $813. Just 1 minute more. If this value is sustained, then I'll take my stop loss from here to the low of this green candle, the current candle. Current candle का लो में रखेंगे हमारा stop loss को, trailing stop loss को. Am I audible? I have not got any response to that. If I am audible, please let me know. Please let me know if I am audible. Please let me know if I am audible. 830 points on spot. स्टॉप लॉस को ट्रेल कर रहा है. कहाँ रखेंगे? इसका लो पे. वाई द लो ऑफ दिस? बिकॉज इफ द मार्केट इवन इफ इट कम्स डाउन, देयर कैन बी अ even if a small pullback happens, like it can give a good movement to the long side, upper side. पर अब ये कैंडल ऐसे ही एक बड़ा सा ग्रीन कैंडल बना रहा है, तो आई माइट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एक्सिट द ट्रेड, because then it will be far above our Bollinger Band, so it will be far above my strategy. So वो मैं एक्सिट करेंगे ट्रेड को. But for good price action, momentum wala good moves to happen, this has to keep going up. It has to keep moving up. Like 916. I like the number, bro. Maybe because I love gold. 110 200. भाई, this is actually some good move. हमारा stop loss तक आएगा तो फिर भी हमारा profits तो अच्छा ही होगा इसमें. Straight line से. इधर से $540 in spot. Spot में $540. So this candle, if it is forming a small pullback, not more than the half of the green candle that was previously formed, then I will take the stop loss to the high of this red candle. ये सब actually, like, you can learn how I trail my stop loss, what is the importance of setting trailing stop loss and all that on this book. You can read this book, as well as to know complete details of price action. You can go through this book as well. These two books are actually good. It's written by me. It's not a promotion that I'm doing. These books are actually like good. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can read it for free. And like, there was a price drop on this book. It was given to everyone for free, like till a couple of days back. But now, yes, now like it's back on the price. The offer has ended. So yes, look out for these two books. is actually good. Like you will get to know why I set stop losses, how I set stop losses, why is trailing stop loss important and things like that. ये शायद इस like इस candle के end में like I'll have to exit the trade most probably. Stop एक सेकेंड ना, मैं मेरा स्क्रीन पे stop loss को थोड़ा adjust कर देते हैं. स्टॉप लॉस को सेट किया है इस रेंज पे. सो इफ इट रीचेस टू दिस लेवल आई विल एक्सिट, माय ट्रेड वुड बी एक्सिटेड. इफ इट डज नॉट देन ट्रेल करके ही जाएंगे. आई विल कीप ट्रेलिंग, कीप मॉडिफाइंग द स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर एंड आई विल कीप ट्रेलिंग इट. Remember the low of this candle. If you want the exact number, then I'll just give you. Low is 109,969. 109,969 is my trailing stop loss. This is my trailing stop loss. इधर तक anyway spot में $540 stop loss executed. Yeah, market has reached stop loss executed. So this is where I exit the trade. Okay, I did not capture this because I am bullish about the market today. So yes, that is why. And here goes, this trade is over. Abhi just don't take a new entry even if this 5-minute candle itself comes back to here, because your stop loss would be very low. मेरा इधर का stop loss देखना. This was my stop loss. It was just 29 points. So don't do that. Don't take a fresh entry here. Wait, it will play here for some time before going up. I'll just draw it here. Like it will just go consolidating at this range for some time before going up. So इसके लिए थोड़ा इंतज़ार करना. Just wait for some time. Like it would maximum take what? Like maybe till like 2 hours, maybe 2-3 hours maximum. Before that, the market shall move back up. It shall come back to the crosshair, select and delete. So yeah. So bearish side, I'm not looking for any trades until and unless this trend line is broken. We have seen, like we have been following this particular trend line. The ऊपर के तरफ ऊपर से जो ट्रेंड लाइन आए थे उसको इधर ब्रेकआउट किया था. ये मैंने मिस किया सुबह को. I missed it yesterday night and today morning. ये टाइम फ्रेम मिस किया because I had dilated my eyes. I had my appointment yesterday with the doctor, so I had dilated my eyes. So because of that, I missed that trade. That's the only thing I regret about. नहीं तो उधर भी एक बड़ा profit up. Like but people who were following my streams would know this. I had already told them if it gives a test pullback from here, just enter the trade. Those people would have made huge profits. मैं खाली देख रहा हूँ. I won't put it on the chart. You guys know, like whatever is on the chart is trades that we have taken live with you guys. इधर तक होगा. This is your risk. No, your risk won't be that much. It will be a little lesser. Yeah, around 80 points risk and you got 900 points. It's almost 10 times risk to reward. That's what you would have got if you had followed our previous streams. Abhi, why is this happening? I told that like 10 minutes before. Like there can be a fall that can happen because it's far above the resistance of the Bollinger Band. And yes, if you want to learn how I set these things, you can just check out this book. This is not a promotion. I'm not compelling anybody to buy. It was available for free like a couple of days back, but now it's back. The offer is over. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can just download it for free and read it. That's it. You can look at the ratings and everything of that book. You can take a screenshot of this page if you want, so that you can just search it on your Alexa or stop. I just told her name and she got on here. So yeah, you can either do that or you can search it on Amazon or even your Google Lens, with your Google Lens, and you will get this book. It's like kind of free. You can just check out for the ranks. It's ranked 188 on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency ebooks and 242 in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Everything, like all the books, hardcover, softcover, like softcover, hardcover, like the Kindle editions, everything together, it's rated less than 500. So yes, it is definitely worth a read for you. It will be definitely worth a read for you guys. I have ordered a couple of other books too, but like for trading and for price action, then this will be the best book. It's one of my first books that I published somewhere. But you can check this book also if you are new to equity market and you just want to read it. Okay, it's $3.99, but don't worry, like by today evening I'll make it to $1.99. This book is also ranked somewhere like, okay, 11,000 in total of business strategy and management, 2,67,000 of all the books in the Kindle stock. So that is about this book. You can read this. I'll take this price down, don't worry about that. That was set our production cost and things like that. That's why it was set at $3.99. Don't worry, that will be taken care of. So अभी के लिए कोई trade नहीं है. If I'm audible, can you please type in? That's why I've been asking it for a long time now. If I'm audible, can you please type in yes, no? If there are disturbances, noises from the fan, of things like that, you can just let me know. I shall resolve that right away. It would be great if you can put it on the chat. अभी के लिए ट्रेड नहीं, मत लेना यार, अभी ट्रेड मत लेना प्लीज. अभी नया ट्रेड मत लेना, हम देखेंगे. लाइक वेट फॉर सम टाइम. Like new trade will happen, but after a consolidation, just like how I drew here. Like it is gonna spend some time here, give a false breakdown, then come back up and just be here and then go up. Okay, this is how it is going to be, but you would have to wait. I'm gonna be on the stream like till 7, 8, 9, depending on how much support I get. It will depend on the total number of likes, the views, and everything that I get. So yes, we'll give a couple of fake breakdowns, but I think it's all just trapping you guys, because Bitcoin looks very bullish today. Just extend this one second. Okay, makes some sense. The chart में तुम देख सकता हो, like if I just zoom out on streams, the last all the days that I've come to stream, there's only one trade that went to stop loss. All the other trades has gone to profits, and all the trades, including the one that went to stop loss, everything is marked. I don't know, I would have to zoom in and go back. Like all the trades have gone to stop losses, and if you just look, all the trades have gone to profits, and if you look closely, you will see that the profit is pretty good all the time. Like there is no trade that I have taken that is less than maybe 1:3 or 1:4 for stop loss. I always have taken trades, and everything is live. It's all recorded, not just on BTC but on Ethereum spot also. I do it. Like you might see this trade. It's the smallest trade I think I took yesterday. All these trades you can see. You can just go through our previous videos. Gold ka bhi, okay, gold did not execute any trade yesterday. Like I had set like a short plan, like a plan for the long position here for a scalp, and niche ke taraf bhi, but it did not execute at all at those price ranges. Nothing happened. So nothing happened in gold as such, and I've still kept all that so that you know that okay, I'm not just trying to show off my profits, but all the trades, including the losses that I've booked, everything is still on the chart. I just remove or maybe maintain these resistance and supports that I draw according to that current market situation and things like that. That's it. अभी इधर से जो लोग नया ट्रेड ऊपर की तरफ लेने का सोच रहा है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट द मूवमेंट विल बी वेरी स्लो. ओके, द मूवमेंट विल बी वेरी वेरी स्लो. सो प्लीज, बिकॉज इधर से प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुआ है, लाइक अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुआ है. यू कैन सी द वॉल्यूम, you can see the size of the candlesticks, and yes, so please do not enter a new long position here, because इधर अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. Market is going to be here consolidating here for some time at least. It's at the round level again. Now we'll see what is going to happen. If this value is sustained, then we can plan ऊपर की तरफ. But just the consolidation part is going to happen anyway. So yes, like I just thought I'll just ask a quick question. If you guys are actually watching, if someone can comment on the live chat, like if you guys are interested in this, I shall ask some quick questions about maybe price action, different candlestick patterns or things like that, maybe some candle pattern or chart pattern, whatever. And if you guys, whoever answers it first, I'll just transfer them like $1,000, 1,000 Indian rupee. I'll just transfer them 1,000 Indian rupee. Are you guys up for it? If you guys are, just comment down that you're up for it, so that I can just ask the question. It'll be asked live. I won't be typing it there because I know you guys are smart and you will use ChatGPT to just take a screenshot and find the answer. So it'll be like a little complicated, the questions that I'll be asking. The question would be simple, but not in a way that ChatGPT will be able to help you. इधर जो लोग शॉर्ट कर रहा है का स्टॉप लॉस इधर होगा. ये वैल्यू सस्टेन करना पड़ेगा मार्केट को फॉर स्कैल्पिंग, नीचे के तरफ स्कैल्पिंग के लिए. दिस पॉइंट हियर, scalping short entry 109,960, SL 10110,000, EGT will be this would be a target. 10981, okay, 800, 109,850 to 109,800. I am not in this trade. Who has taken entry. I'm just talking about people who has already taken entry. For those who took the entry, I don't have any positions open. Okay. Oh, 109998. 109980. 109869. It is reaching our first target. This is for quick scalpers. इसके लिए स्टॉप लॉस भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ट्रेल करनी है जाना. Okay, make sure you trail the stop losses right. Make sure you trail the SL right. Okay, I'll just take a short break. I'll be back because अभी मेरे लिए इधर मैं प्रॉफिट बनाया हूँ, इसमें मैं फंसने वाला नहीं हूँ. It's just for scalping. It has 860 to 800. First target is achieved. And जो लोग, because I told fake breakouts might happen. Don't hold shorts. Markets likely to consolidate. Writing all this, इसका first target is achieved. The first target of this short trade that I wrote here achieved. I have not taken that trade. I'm just making that clear for you again. I am not in this trade. This was the entry that I told somewhere around here, and the market gave a 100-point movement. If you were in that trade, just make sure you're trailing the stop loss right. Don't hold short positions for long in the market, because the market is likely to consolidate and then give a breakout. Markets are looking bullish, not bearish. Okay, please understand that. Don't put in your hard-earned money into it. If you have made a profit in this trade, वो profit का एक छोटा हिस्सा ही इसमें डालो. Like if it's a fresh entry, I would say no. अभी like, and trailing stop loss should be, it's completely on your skill. Like you have to be good in trailing stop losses. Only then you will be able to handle the situation. Don't hold. I'm just saying that again and again. Okay, stop loss also hit. Okay, so trailing stop loss was hit for this. I have not taken an entry. I was just saying for people who has made this decision, just for them. So because it is likely to consolidate, I have been saying that. I just wrote it down for people who were, this is what is most likely to happen. Okay, so I'll just take another 30 minutes break. I'll be back at 4 o'clock because I already offered that quiz thing. Like I told you, I'll transfer you 1,000 rupees if to the first one to answer, but I got no chat reply for that also. So like अभी मेरे हिसाब से market is going to consolidate in this range, so I don't want to just sit in front of the screen for a long time because my doctor has asked not to strain my eyes a lot. Even though I'm wearing a blue light reflecting lenses, I'm sitting on like in front of two studio lights, one of which is on, but I've just reduced the brightness to the minimum that I could. So still, yeah, I don't want to sit in front of the screen for a long time. इधर ये कंसोलिडेशन के बाद जब ब्रेकआउट आएगा उस टाइम I'll be back. I'll join in like 30 minutes. Put in what do you think the market's gonna be bullish, bearish, whatever you are gonna think, just tell me. Okay, this is just for people who entered this trade the stop loss already hit, so I am just removing this, okay, because all the stop loss that I had told had already hit. The stop loss that I had told was already hit. अभी entry के पास है stop loss, like if it is C2C for you, CTC for you, just if possible just exit that. This is most likely to happen. I was talking about fake breakdowns that can happen. It is just a part of that, okay. So yes, I think I've cleared everything that I was supposed to say. So yes, see you back and see you at 4. So I'll be back at 4 o'clock IST, like half an hour later, not that long. I'll just take a 30 minutes break so that I can wash my face and everything and just refresh myself, okay. You can keep watching the stream if you want to see the market movements, things like that, or just subscribe to this channel and like keep an alarm maybe like 30 minutes later, so that I can just come back to the stream and say hi and you guys will be here. So yes, don't hold shorts, because only below this range, only below, like I'll just keep it here, okay, don't hold shorts at this range. Only below this range the market looks bearish. Only below this range, okay, only then the market looks bearish. I still have a positive, like bullish overview of the market, but if it breaks down this particular level, then we can think about bearish trades like shorting the markets, okay. So yes, see you at 4 o'clock. because मेरे लिए आज का प्रॉफिट्स ऑलरेडी हुआ है, ओके. नाउ आई एम जस्ट स्ट्रीमिंग फॉर यू गाइस, सो आई डोंट वांट लाइक जो लोग इधर इस प्रॉफिट को बुक नहीं किया है, जिन लोग को मिस हुआ है, it's for those people that the next trade would be. But for me, markets should consolidate in this level. And yes, see what's the time now? It's already 3:40. I'll take a 20 minutes break, just wash my face, just go out, walk for like 10 minutes maybe, so that my eyes are getting a little rest, okay. I hope that works. See you, and if you took this trade, if you made profits in this trade, please just comment it down so that I know it was helpful for you. So please, yeah, if you feel like it's okay to support this guy, okay, this guy is genuine, then please do that. Please make sure you put something on the chat box, maybe like the video, maybe share it with your friends, all up to you. But yeah, it will be great to see your supports on this. So yes, I'm just switching off the video. See the spike that is happening. I was about to switch off the video, that's when this happened. So yeah, मैं वीडियो को my video, I'm ending my video, and I'll be switching off the mic for some time, okay. And at 4 we'll meet back again on the live. At 4 we'll meet back again on the live. Yes, so I am back. Uh, yeah, now you can see me as well. So yes, you might say, okay, it fell this much and all that, but for me, still there is no new trades. Okay, so at 4 I came back a minute earlier. So this is basically scalping here. These are just for scalpers. 1 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम लगाना और इधर जो भी छोटा छोटा मूवमेंट्स जो भी आ रहा है उसको कैप्चर कर लेना. This is basically just that this whatever is happening right now, it is just for scalpers, for which I am not interested. I want moves like this, which is gonna give me such moves, not like $100 $200 spot ka move. No, I'll just wait in the market till the market gives me big moves and then I'll go with it. नीचे की तरफ मैं तभी देखेंगे जब मार्केट ये रेसिस्टेंस के ये सपोर्ट के नीचे आएंगे. ओके, आई होप इट्स क्लियर फॉर यू गाइस विद दैट. Live, yes, everything is cool. Okay, no concurrent views. ये ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेकआउट करने के बाद वापस ऊपर जा सकते हैं. एक्चुअली दिस फॉर्मिंग इज एक्चुअली गुड. This formation is actually good. For like it does not have to, the market does not have to consolidate for that long for the breakout to happen. See, like this. It will take much slower a time rather than the other movement that we were expecting. I'll just try correcting the mic right now. Come back live. I'll just try correcting the mic. Like literally, I am the only person watching my stream right now. Wait, I have to figure this out. Audio capture. Hey, fan on karna hai. Just trying to figure out something. Go back live. Hello. Am I audible now? Oh, too low, huh? Sound is too low. Wait. Audio input. Either. What about now? What about now? Okay, audible but still like background voices coming in. अभी ठीक हुआ क्या? I think it is better than before. Like, so if there is something like you wish to share, like maybe anything like better than before. Like, so if there is something like you wish to share, like maybe anything like. Okay, I think it's okay now. So we'll go back to the stream. I'll just put this on charge. And I hope I'm good to go. Okay. Setup को थोड़ा adjust करना पड़ेगा मुझे. Is it not charging? Yes, it is. So yes. Let it be where it is right now. It is okay. I'll figure it out maybe later when. Now we'll wait for the next movement. I've got 4 views in total. I'm happy today. नीचे की तरफ ट्रेड ओनली बिलो दिस रेंज, बट जब तक ये मार्केट इधर आएगा ना, इट विल बी अ बाउंस बैक फ्रॉम हियर फॉर नाउ बिकॉज Bollinger Band is there to support it. I'm gonna sit a little casually now. Is my leg visible on the stream? Oh yeah, shit, it is. I'm actually bored, guys. I'm actually bored. I'm just here. I'm just waiting for the big moves. And the market does not give movement, then that becomes a big problem. Okay, so this can be your pullback for people who want fresh entry. ये pullback जैसे समझ लो. But when will you enter? Trade किधर enter करेंगे? Only here you will enter. It is not, the trade is not entered right now. You are not in a trade right now. But ये ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर सस्टेन कर रहे, तो ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर सस्टेन कर रहे तो लाइक यू विल हैव अ ट्रेड हियर. सस्टेन करना पड़ेगा, उधर क्लोजिंग देना पड़ेगा मार्केट को. इसके ऊपर सस्टेन कर रहे हैं तो मिलेगा. एंट्री नहीं हुआ है, कोई ट्रेड नहीं लिया है. सिल्वियर स्टॉप लॉस. यू कैन सी दिस, वी आर नॉट इन अ ट्रेड राइट नाउ. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is, if it goes above this resistance, and if it sustains in that value, then there can be a possible entry because ये ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट हमको मिलेगा. इसको रिट्रेसमेंट जैसे समझ लेना. ओके, इज दैट कूल विथ यू गाइस? इधर सस्टेन करने के बाद, ओके, वन न्यू व्यूअर, सो आई एम जस्ट explaining it again. I am not in a position here, but if this green candle sustains above this resistance, then there can be a possible up move because this trend line will be broken. So you can also see that this is forming an ascending triangle or an ascending flag. So this breakout can give a pretty good movement, almost इतना ही मूवमेंट मिलेगा इधर भी. So yes, watch closely, watch the markets very closely, but only enter a trade if it sustains above this resistance. नहीं तो नहीं. इसको पुल बैक जैसे समझ लेना. पर इस कैंडल, अभी जो कैंडल बन रहा है, उस कैंडल को, ये वैल्यू को सस्टेन करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम इज ऑल्सो प्रेटी लो, एज यू वुड हैव नोटिस्ड. So I have kept it a little above the trend line that I have drawn. मैं ट्रिगर सेट नहीं किया है. I'll just do मेरा ट्रेड. If it sustains above this value, then we can hope for a movement. तब तक नहीं. मार्केट को सस्टेन करने दे. जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम, लेट द मार्केट सस्टेन द वैल्यू, उसके बाद देखता है. मेरा ऑर्डर ट्रिगर नहीं हुआ है. दिस विल बी योर एंट्री. एंड यू नो DP is always where the okay, if this candle goes green, then I'll enter, because it's already out of this trend line. If this candle is going green, if it sustains above this value, then yes, my entry would come a little lower. This candle has to move green. Okay, it should sustain above the support. It's on that resistance. It is on that resistance right now, but it should go above that. We'll see how the movement is. If not this candle, if this candle forms a small red candle, if it is not okay, it is near, okay, it is near my trigger. Okay, my trigger is taken. This will be my stop loss, and yes, we'll wait. Sorry. Will this take my stop loss? Even if it does, it is completely fine. Even if it does, it is completely fine. For the new viewer who joined just now, this trade is taken with just 10% of my capital, just because this trend line was broken, which is helping the overall chart pattern to be an ascending triangle. So how much will the fall be? How much will the growth be? It can go move the same range, like this much. ये movement हम इधर भी capture कर सकते हैं, like somewhere almost here. We'll see how the values are sustained. My stop loss इधर अभी कितना होगा मेरा स्टॉप लॉस? ये कैंडल जो कैंडल बन रहा है ना, उस कैंडल के बाद माई स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी ट्रिगर्ड टू दिस पॉइंट. ओके, इट विल बी ट्रिगर्ड जस्ट बिलो दिस रेजिस्टेंस. फॉर नाउ इट इज बिकम द सपोर्ट. सो ये सपोर्ट के जस्ट बिलो होगा मेरा स्टॉप लॉस, और मे बी एट द लो ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कैंडल दैट इज बीइंग फॉर्म्ड राइट नाउ. But if it comes down, then you will hit my stop loss. That's it. It should sustain more above this value. going near my stop loss. Okay. You must remember, if this candle is sustaining above this resistance, then my stop loss will become at the low of this candle. If it does not sustain this resistance, then I would have to take this whole stop loss. Okay, I hope I'm clear. Just wait, it's just 34 seconds more to update my stop loss. That's it. Okay, time for me to update the stop loss. That will be my new stop loss. I know it's a very small stop loss, but it is because we have already taken a trade that has given good profits. So don't ruin that profit that you have already made. Ooh, very close to my stop loss actually. Oh man. Very close to the stop loss. Too close to my stop loss. I think my stop loss will be triggered here. Exited. My stop loss is triggered. That's some big moves happening. Check it out. This is all because of profit booking. You guys should understand that. Why am I blurred? Am I blurred on the stream? Sorry. No, right? Why do I look blur on the stream? Okay, I look blur. I actually look blur on the stream. I don't know. Okay, why is it not going off? Okay, thank you. Boom, 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 boom. a loss, man. That's some big moves. Okay. If the market is going down from here, then I might not be streaming because it's against my study. But you should remember it is forming an ascending. Why is my drawing going like that? I just use the path instead, right? This can happen, okay? I'll just keep it there for you guys, because if it is going to do this, then I am actually not interested in the market. If it's going low from here, then for now I'm not interested in the market because I don't want to overtrade, guys. जो प्रॉफिट बनाया है वो लेके घर जाना है मेरे को. Oh yes, bye guys. I'm just ending the stream. I not get any chats from you guys, but yeah. So as I was saying, if you guys are actually interested in that question answer thing that I was talking about, like me asking some question from price action, or maybe anything about cryptocurrency, or like maybe about equity also, whatever you choose. And if you guys are in for that, like I'll just ask questions on the stream, live on the stream. Whoever answers it first get like 1,000 rupees INR. So if you guys are interested in such a thing, just let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for your support today. But just don't fall for this low high movement that the market is gonna make. I have already told what I feel about the market. I'm keeping the drawing here as well, and I'm leaving. Bye guys, take care. I might restart the stream at 7:30, but most probably I will not. I'll prefer giving my eyes some rest. If some good movement happen in the market, then of course I'll be on stream. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this profit anyway, and really sorry for this loss. This is the second stop loss that we are hitting on stream. So bye. Take care. I am trying to